Hey, if you want to take high quality photos on your POCO M6 Pro, for sure you can do this by using this 64 megapixel mode. And this main lens is actually the 64 megapixel with the optic image stabilization. And now it's also good to prepare the good source of the light. So that's essential to take the good quality photos and hold your phone steady. So let me show you how it looks. There will be a good example for this small card in front of me. So I'm gonna catch focus, hold the phone steady, and then click on the shutter. And when the photo was taken, now I can show you the result. So I'm gonna show you actually how it looks. Let's zoom in, and as you can see, when we double tap, we can actually get the HD preview. And as you can see from here, we can find the details of this card. And now I can see that this photo is actually not the same quality like on the POCO X6 Pro. So on the POCO X6 Pro you can also find the 64 megapixel mode, but the photo that I take with the POCO X6 Pro looks definitely better. But this one is also not bad, but that's a lot of noises when we take a look right here on this part of the photo. But yeah, that's all. That's how we can take the high quality photos on the POCO M6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.